Okay, now it's your turn to estimate. So you have these 4 problems. I went ahead and included the strip diagram and equation from yesterday, but all you're going to worry about today is the estimation. So the first question says Lee had 6 bags of candy. There are 15 pieces of candy in each bag. How much candy does Lee have in all? Remember, the strip diagram and the equation are here from yesterday. You're working on the estimation today. The next question says James has $187. His mom gives him $150 for chores for the month. How much money does James have in all? Again, you have your strip diagram and equation from yesterday. Today, you're going to work on the estimation. The next question says Marco has $832. He spends $420 on a new TV. How much money does he have remaining? Again, we have our strip diagram and equation from yesterday. Today, you're going to focus on the estimation. The final question says Debbie has 24 bottles of water. She shares them with herself and 3 friends. How many bottles of water does each person get? Again, we have our strip diagram and our equation. Today, you're going to focus on the estimation. Once you're completely finished, make sure you turn it into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye.